Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put secant of 3x squared and secant of 3x squared. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan 3x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have number 3 secant of 3x squared dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we need to transform into u, and we have u squared. This one that is about u. This one with the s we transform into this one. So this one that is about u to the power of 1 over 3. And now I will put this one multiplied by u squared and number 1. And we have like this. So this one that is about 7 over 3. And now we have the formula in here. So we put 7 over 3 gone here. So we have 7 over 3 plus 1, and that is about 10 over 3 over 10 over 3. The next one that is about 4 over 3 over 4 over 3. And I will put about c. About u that is about tan 3x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.